Why did the teacher go to the beach? Because she wanted to test the waters. Chuckles. The life of a teacher filled with grading papers, making lesson plans, and of course the occasional beach trip. But what does a teacher dream about, and how does that compare to the reality they face every day? Let's dive into it. Picture this. A teacher dreams of walking into a classroom. Every student is seated perfectly at their desk, pencils poised, ready to learn. The reality? Walking into a classroom more resembles stepping into a jungle, with paper airplanes soaring through the air and chatter that could rival a parrot sanctuary. Or imagine this dream. A teacher dreams of a quiet lunch break, a peaceful 30 minutes to relax and recharge. The reality? Lunch breaks are often filled with a flurry of activity, from hastily eating a sandwich while grading papers, to mediating a dispute between two students over the last chocolate chip cookie. And what about parent-teacher conferences? In a teacher's dream, every parent is understanding, supportive, and eager to work with the teacher for the benefit of their child. But the reality is a mixed bag, with some parents more interested in blaming the teacher for their child's misbehavior than finding solutions. Now, let's not forget about summer vacations. In a teacher's dream, summer is a time for relaxation, travel, and well-deserved rest. The reality? Summer often means catching up on professional development, preparing for the next school year, and maybe, if they're lucky, squeezing in a short trip to the beach to test the waters. And finally, grading. In the dream world, a teacher imagines neatly written essays with perfect grammar and clear arguments. The reality, however, often includes deciphering handwriting that looks like it was written during a roller coaster ride and trying to make sense of arguments that are about as clear as a foggy day in London. So what's the takeaway here? Well, it seems like a teacher's dreams and reality are as different as chalk and cheese, but despite the chaos, the rushed lunches, and the never-ending grading, teachers continue to do their job with passion and dedication. Because at the end of the day, even if the reality doesn't quite match the dream, there's nothing quite like the reward of seeing a student's face light up when they finally understand a difficult concept. And that, dear listeners, is a dream come true.